Hello class and welcome. My name is Mike Ferguson. I'm the instructor for Chemistry 100 Spring 2024 at Windward Community College. So welcome to the class, and the purpose of this video is to orient you to the class. It's all online and I wanted to show you how things work. So right now I'm in the La Lima page, and let me show you the first thing. A lot of people get confused in this. So first thing you do is you click on this vital source for UH, and then you follow the prompts. And I have another video on this, but it's basically you follow the prompts, and this is one of the things to do in the first week of class. And you get eventually to the Mastering Chemistry, where we have the assessments for the class. So there's that. So that's an important thing. The other important thing is for the first week, see this discussion. You click on this discussion, and then you come to the forums. And this is the introduction, the introduce yourself forum. So let me see if I can go to all this. So you go on this introduce yourself, and you click on this start a new conversation button right here. So click start a new conversation, then introduce yourself. So that's what you have to do the first week. Okay, and but let me go into the syllabus. So what is this class? This is Chemistry and Society. This is a class for non-STEM majors. It's usually a terminal class, meaning this is the only science class you take. And this it's like if you take one class, this is a good class to take because it's a survey class. It's an overview on a lot of things. It is a chemistry class, but it's really a third of the class is chemistry, like what we consider good old-fashioned chemistry. But then 2/3 of the class is more like talking about things like the water cycle, how pollution works, how what exercise does for your health, how diet affects your health, things about drugs, things about toxicology, so many things. So this is just an overview of how science in general and chemistry, but how we use science and how it affects our role in society, and especially contemporary society. So this is the nature of the class there. And you can take this as a prereq for other classes, but it's not necessary. So if you are a STEM major, you can go ahead and jump into the different series, but this is generally for non-STEM majors. And here's me. The best way to get a hold of me is email. And there's my office hours via online. We can meet face to face if you'd like. Let me know. We can set up an appointment. And course information is here. This is just to show you. So our materials, it's Chemistry for Changing Times with Kolb as the author, and this is you don't have to buy this. It's all in with the La Lima with the vital source. You click on that and it'll bring you there. And also grading policies, so how to get an A in the class. Here's the point breakdown. There's only one forum, and that's an easy high grade. So go ahead and do that, and that's very easy. I'm very liberal in grading that. Here, and the class is half homework and then 3 tests, 15% each. There's no final. And here are the due dates: February 14th, March 27th, and May 1st. And every week I will email you and remind you of the due dates. I also will do a second email on kind of usually with American Chemical Society, they put out a magazine. I take an article and I'll highlight what's going on. So, because I love science and it's fun to talk about science. This is a science class. Hey, go figure. And the grades are 10-point split, showing the scale there. And also here's the academic services if you need to use those. Please feel free to utilize them as needed. Also, let me go back to the La Lima page. If you look on the left here, you can see, for instance, I'm just going to click on Chapter 2. So this is a learning space So how does an online class work? Although I guess you've probably taken online classes quite a bit now. So here is, for instance, chapter 2 for this class, and you can see I there you can click on here and you can get the PowerPoint slides, and here is the video for it. So this is the lecture for it, and then so what do you do in this class? Well, you can. It also depends on how you learn. You can read in a textbook. I also have the lectures that you can go through and listen to me lecture. And then you have the homework, and the homework is in the Mastering Chemistry. And you get to the Mastering Chemistry through this vital source, and it brings you to Mastering Chemistry. And so it might look a little different for you because I'm the instructor and you're a student. But here is my portal, and again, it's going to look a little different. And let me click on the assignments to show you this. And here's all the assignments. Here's the homework, and here's the tests. And so I'm going to pick any one, chapter 8. So here's the homework for chapter 8. And you click on this, and one of the issues with this, you have to have the pop-up blockers off. And I'm using Firefox. I find that it works really well for this, but there's some format issues. Make sure you have the pop-up blocker off. Why? Because I'm going to click on this, and you can see it pops up. And here's the standard view. So this is what you will see. So and you work on the assignments here, and you can click to have the different questions going through. So, and that's kind of it in a nutshell. This is where you do the assignments and take the tests. And here in La Lima, I'm just switching tabs. You have the learning space, and then you get to have the wonderful emails every week, at least twice a week from me. You'll get a little bit more in the first week or two because I'm setting things up. Especially the first week, I send out lots of emails trying to get people oriented. So, but let me know if you have any questions. I'm trying to keep this video as short as I can. So if you feel confused at all, please feel free to reach out to me, and we can get you sorted. Okay? All right. Hope your first week is going well, and I will talk to you soon. Aloha.